Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will be talking about some important things you need to know before you start a forex trading. So I'll be talking about candlestick and other tradings like synthetic indices market and cryptocurrency. So let's go without wasting our time. So this is a sample of a candlestick. You can see you are having increase and decrease. Increase, which is bullish candlestick, and decrease, which is bearish candlestick. Bearish is when it's going down and bullish is when the market is moving up. You can see that we have high, we have close price, we have open price, we have low, and in bearish also we're having high, we're having open, we're having close, and we are having low. So what is candlestick? So let's define candlestick. What is candlestick? A candlestick chart is a style of financial chart used to describe price movements of a security, derivative, or currency. It is a similar to a bar chart in that each candlestick represents all important pieces of information for that day. Open and close in the thick body, and high and lows is the wick of the candlestick. So candlestick pattern is like is like a language that we use to communicate, to know what the market is doing, to know where to buy and where to sell. It's like a language. Imagine you are going to France as a Nigerian, then you don't understand their language. Then so how are you going to understand them? So it is important to focus on candlestick very well. In our premium class, we will talk more about candlestick and some candlestick patterns that we have. We'll be talking about it in our premium class. So now let's move on. So before we go further, it is good to let you know and let you have point of view in all the app that we are using in trading. You can see that we are using TradingView, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So that is their images, their logos showing right now on your screen. So without wasting our time, let's talk about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Crypto is a virtual and digital currency that works on blockchain technology used as a medium of payment. At its core, cryptocurrency is typically decentralized digital money designed to be used over the internet. Bitcoin, which launched in 2008, was the first cryptocurrency, and it remained by far the biggest, most influential, and best known in the whole world. In the decades since, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency like Ethereum was grown as digital alternative to money issued by governments. The most important cryptocurrency by market capitalization are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Other well-known cryptocurrency include Tezos, EOS, and Zcash. Some are similar to Bitcoin, rather, some are similar to Bitcoin. Other are based on different technology or have new features that allow them to do more than transaction transfer value. Is cryptocurrency safe enough to invest or transact with? The answer is yes. Cryptocurrency is safe. Let me list the reason. Yes, it is safe. It is secure because all transactions are vetted by a technology called a blockchain. A cryptocurrency blockchain is similar to a bank balance sheet or ledger. Each currency has its own blockchain, which is an ongoing, consistently verified record of every single transaction ever made using that currency. Unlike bank ledger, a crypto blockchain is distributed across participants of the digital currency entire network. So why should we trade crypto? Why should we choose crypto because of privacy. When paying with cryptocurrency, you don't need to provide unnecessary personal information to the merchants. So the second reason is because of security. Almost all cryptocurrency include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and Bitcoin Cash are secure using technology called a blockchain, which is consistent, check and verified by a huge amount of computer power. So another reason is portability. Because your cryptocurrency holding aren't tied to a financial institution or government, they are available to you no matter when you are in the world, no matter where you are in the world, or what happens to any of the global financial system major intermediates. The next one is transparency. Every transaction on the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, and Bitcoin Cash network is published pu- publicly without expectation. And the next one is a reversibility. Unlike a credit card payment, cryptocurrency payments can be reversed. Apart from the popular Bitcoin, there are other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, Dogecoin, Binance Coin, Tether, and Monero, and so on and so forth. Amongst So we have Stellar, we have Dogecoin, Bitcoin Chain, Tether, Money and so on and so forth, among others. Why are there so many cryptocurrency? The majority of cryptocurrency today are derived in some from or another from Bitcoin, which use open source code and a consumptive resistant architecture. This means that anybody can copy and track the code and create their own new coin. This also means that anybody is free to join its network or transact in. So when we got to our premium class, we will go deep on how to run valid analysis on any market. Meanwhile, we will also consider topics such as how to create a cryptocurrency brokerage account, how to fund your account, how to pick a variable crypto to invest in, a working trading strategy, how to store your cryptocurrency, best crypto brokers. We will explain on the following also: what is cryptocurrency, selecting a valuable cryptocurrency, how cryptocurrency works, pros and cons of investing in cryptocurrency, and lots more like that. So the crypto world is lucrative and profitable, and such as it will take time to go deep in details on everything you may need to know about cryptocurrency in our premium class. Never miss this class. So let's talk about important things in this particular video before we move to MT4 and 5 interface. So we will talk about synthetic indices market, how to trade synthetic indices market. So alright guys, let's talk about synthetic indices. Before then, it is best we introduce you to another financial market where making money is really easy for beginner, the synthetic indices market. Why this is very similar to forex in terms of trading tools, style, price action, and some other factors. It has its own difference and pride itself on simplicity for hot reward. New traders usually learn to trade here first, make their first thousands of dollars in profits before moving over to other markets are, that are a little complex, such as foreign exchange. crypto and stock markets. So the synthetic indices playbook. With the recent increase in requests from our students to learn how to trade synthetic indices, as well as its rising popularity among traders all around the world, we have decided to make this guide for our traders. We are using this as a medium to teach you guys how to trade synthetic indices and make so much money from it. What you will get at the end of this course: a good understanding of synthetic indices, I mean premium class. So a good understanding of synthetic indices, strategy that work for trading synthetic indices, the best between synthetic indices and forex trading, correction of the misconcepts surrounding it. So to be sincere, in the world understand how easy if the world understand how easy it is to make money from trading synthetic indices, almost everyone will switch to trading them. The factors that affect trading condition in synthetic indices are very few, and that make it really easier to trade even for newbies. In my opinion, I will say that it's a great option for trading long time and can be a full-time money source for anyone who picks interest, learn and develop himself. Our aim with this course is to help you guys understand synthetic indices. So in this particular video, this question below will be answered throughout this video. So what are synthetic indices? We are mentioning it. Which broker offer synthetic indices? So the only brokers that offer synthetic indices. Meanwhile, in currency pair, we have many brokers. We have thousands of brokers, billions of brokers across the world that offered you to trade currency at anywhere you like, but it is only one brokers that allows you to trade synthetic indices market, and which is Derif. It is known as Derif. They are the only brokers that allowed you to trade synthetic indices market. So the Reef is the only brokers that allow you to trade synthetic indices market. Why when you open the account, you log into your MetaTrader 5, but all many thousands of brokers, let me just say many thousands of brokers allow you to trade currency pair at your comfort zone, either by MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5, but the Reef is the only brokers that allow you to trade synthetic indices market with your MetaTrader 5 application only. So that's why you need to download both when you want to trade synthetic indices market. So we are going to talk about what are volatility index, how to open a synthetic indices account step by step, what are the advantages of trading synthetic indices, disadvantages of trading synthetic indices, platform for trading synthetic indices, which is the Reef. I have mentioned that. And what is the difference between synthetic indices and forex? So what are synthetic indices? Synthetic indices are simulated trading instruments that mimic or reflects the behavior of real financial markets. When we talk about mimic, you know what that means? That like copy, do the same thing, do exact thing that financial market, which is currency pair, did. So they are simulated to act and operate like real financial market and feel exact the same. Here we go. Here you go. You have started asking yourself that what moves synthetic indices. Well, random number are generated by a cryptographical secure computer program. This number cannot be guessed, and for transparency issue, the brokers is unable to influence or predict which number will be generated. This work just like in the real world financial market, where our brokers has no influence over the market price movement. An independent third party has been set aside to audit the generated number, always to ensure that there is transparency and fairness in the generation of those random numbers that move the volatility indices chart. In conclusion, synthetic indices are unique indices that mimic real-world market volatility which are often seen in other financial markets. They are available for 24/7, 365 days. Synthetic indices has been traded for over 10 years with a proven track record for reliability and continue to grow in the popularity. So type of synthetic indices, we have range break indices, jump indices, volatility indices. We also have boom and crash indices. So let's talk about why trade synthetic indices. Now that you understand what synthetic indices is, you might now be hungry to start making money and eager to learn new strategy that will help you make that money quickly. You should not be worried about that right now, but rather you should be thinking about the why. Why should you trade synthetic indices? There are loads of benefits in trading synthetic indices as compared to currency pair or other financial markets. The first reason is very low spread. So the spread on synthetic indices are relatively low compared to currency pair of traditional indices. This is the one of the biggest reason a lot of people prefer trading indices. When you have tight spread, you can get in profit quickly and not worried about the extra drawdown that comes from high spread. The number two, you can the second reason you should trade synthetic indices is you can trade synthetic indices around the clock. The market is available to be traded 24/7 for 30 days in a month, and for a whole year. It's not rest, it's not like synthetic like currency pair that you can't trade on on weekend, which is Saturday and Monday. So these synthetic indices you can trade anytime you like. And another reason is real world market risk. Real world market risk and liquidity risk do not affect synthetic indices. Another thing, they are not subject to manipulate or fixing. Another thing, you have the ability to choose a range of synthetic markets with lower or higher risk reward characteristic. Another thing is high leverage. This allow us to make so much profit with just a little balance. Another thing is you are aware of the potential risk right from the beginning. This means no expectation margin score or bad surprises. Another thing is you don't need large capital to start trading synthetic indices. Robotic Another thing is robotic cryptography and auditing measuring ensure that they cannot be fixed or manipulated. Another thing is the fast order execution market makes trading synthetic indices feasible for both small and well as large trader. We will be explaining more about synthetic indices and how you can make money on currency pair, also how you can do a good analysis. So through analysis you know when to buy or sell. So we'll be explaining more on our premium class. I am Olamide Oluwafemi. So I'll be linking the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 interface to this particular video for you guys to watch. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first person to watch. Thanks so much. So now enjoy the video of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 interface. Alright guys, this is a video on how you can use your MetaTrader 4 and your MetaTrader 5. So I don't want this video to get too long. So I'll just drive in straight. You can see we are having our MetaTrader 4 here and our MetaTrader 5. So you just click on anyone you like. It is also the same thing. It is the same thing. So this is MetaTrader 4. You can see it, MetaTrader 4. And this is MetaTrader 5. You can see it, MT5. You can see it where they wrote this. My brokers signified that this is MT5, so we can see it here. So now let's go to MT4 to make an explanation. You can see that we're having PS here, right? We're having PS. You can see that we're having DXY, which is US dollar. We're having US 30. We're having Europe USD, GBP USD, and many more. We are also having UST, US Tech. Yeah, okay, you can see it. You can see you have different pairs. So depending on the one you would like to trade, you just click on any pairs that you like. So you just click on any pair. You can click on DXY, or we are talking about currency pair. Let's go to Europe USD here. This one. Let's go to Europe USD. Let's click on Europe USD and let's see what will show us. So once you click on it, it will show you different things like this. You can see we have new order, we have open charts, we have symbol properties, we have advanced view. So now when you click on new order, it will bring you somewhere here. So this is where you execute your position, whether you want to buy or you want to sell. If you want to sell, you click on sell. If you want to buy, click on buy market. You can see that we're having something here which is our stop loss. We're also having something here which is our take profits. So you can see that we're having some values of number here also. That is our pips, our lot size, rather. If you want to increase or decrease your lot size. So if you want to increase your lot size, you just be clicking on this one. It will be increasing. You're clicking on the one you want to increase or decrease. If you want to decrease, you can click on anyone. You just be increase. If you want to increase, click on anyone. And if you don't want to go to that process, just click on this place. Just click on here, click on that number. If you click on it, your keyboard will come out. Then you put the value of your pips, maybe 50, 0.50 pips. Just put the value of your pips. So if you don't, if when you are done putting the value of your pips, maybe you want to buy or sell. Let's assume in this market, let's assume that you want to sell. So once you have your pips, you put your take profit number, you put your stop loss, sorry. This is stop loss, shey graph. This is stop loss, SL, and this is TP, take profit, take profit. This one is SL, and this one is TP, for better understanding. So this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit. So you enter those values. You can see that you're having different numbers here, different values here. You're having different values here, which is our pips number. So assuming you want to buy the market or you want to sell the market and you want to put your stop loss at this particular number, that once the market reach this particular place, it will stop you out automatically. So now add the value of the number, which is 1.09745 as your stop loss. You can see that there is a line moved to that place, that once the market cross that line, it will get you stop out in your sell position. So maybe you are targeting this particular area as your take profit, maybe this particular area as your take profit. You want to sell from this particular this environment, this particular area where the market is. You want to sell the market down to this place. So you just add the value of number that is there, which is, let me just say, 1.09720. You can see that there is also a number applied here also. Then you click on your sell. So you can see that once the market reach this particular area, you get stop out, and once you reach this particular area also, you get stop out. Once you reach here, you get stop out by SL. Once you reach here, you get stop out by TP. So you just click on sell. It says not enough money because there's no money in this account. So in this case, let me see if I can use a demo account here, or I should create another one. So you can use your demo account authorized field. So now we can't place a trade because there's no money in this particular account. So when you want to place a trade. But before you place a trade, you know that you have to do analysis. So you have to do analysis. All right. So that's how to place a trade. Automatic. That is how to place a trade in a simple form. You can see that here. If you look up here, we are having three dots. Having three dots here. If you click on it, it will show you something like this, where it will show you something like this, where you have your different things. You have your code, you have your chart, you have your trade, you have your history, you have your main box, you have your news, you have calendar, economic calendar, message, traders community, settings, journal, and about. So for now, as a beginner, you don't need something that is too much. You don't need too much things. The only thing you need to focus on right now is your quote, chart, trade, history, and setting. But for this video, you don't need any setting. Yes, yet rather. You don't need any setting. Yes, you don't need to focus on quotes, charts, trade, history. That's what you need to focus on. So when you click on quotes, it will bring you back here. So when you click on charts, it will take you here where you can see the price movement. You can see how the price is moving. You can see it here. So you can see it here. So now if you want to go back, if you want to, or you can also click here directly, that three dots, you can click it directly. If you click on trade, it will bring you here where it will show you your balance, your equity, and your free margin also. So that's, and your running trade. If you have to open trade, it will show you somewhere around this place. In this particular area, it will show you your running trade. To show you your running trade, your position. So when you click on it again and click on history, it will bring you to history. So maybe you close a trade, or any expire date, expire trade. Maybe you have entered a trade and you close it will show the history here, how much you have made, profit, your main balance, everything, and your trade history. It will show you around here. You see it here. You will also see it in this particular video. It will show you somewhere around here. It will put it that place for you. So for you to go back to view, you can see that we are having something like calendar sign here. We are having something like arrow sign here, and we are having something like dollar sign here also. So let me just explain. When you click on that calendar, you can see when you want to go back to your history, maybe your last week history, your last month history, your last 3 months history, or custom period. If you want to custom a period, maybe you need a particular period that you want to. I'm sorry for the interruption, guys. So now let's continue. You can see that you have today. If you click on it, to show you your today's history, your last week, your last month, your last 3 months, and custom period. Maybe you want to, maybe your anytime, you just customize the period, then you click on done, it will show you the period there. So now you can see that you're also having arrow sign here, right? Click on this arrow sign to show you how do you want your trade history to be shown. Maybe by order, how you order them, or by symbol, or by opening time, closing time, or by profit. So it depends on you how you want it to be showing your history, maybe how you order them. But generally, I think this one everyone is using by order, so you don't need to customize them. So you can see that you also have dollar sign here. So when you click on dollar sign, it will show you all symbols. It's like maybe you enter GBP USD, Europe USD. No, it's different symbols. So it will show you all symbol. You don't need anything here. So here you can see that we are having message, something like message sign, and all these things. You can see it here. Can see it, right? So when you click on this message, any message sent by you by your brokers, maybe you enter a position and your account is about to blow, maybe you don't set a stop loss or some stuff like that, or your account is about to blow, your brokers will send you message and you see the message here. So you can also see this one also, where you can check update news dropped by your brokers. You can check news dropped by your brokers. You can see it up here and see news here, right? So you can also delete them and custom them also. So now let's go to this particular one here, this one, which where we are today to where we are before, which is our history. When you click on it, it will take you to your trading history. So you can see your trading history. And this one down here also, this is your chart. So this is your trade rather. This is your trade. You can see it up here. This is your trade where you can see your balance, your running trade, your balance, your running trade, everything where you can see it here, your equity, your stuff like that, sha, where you can see it. And if you click on this one, it will take you to charts where you can analyze your market. Maybe you analyze this particular price of the market. You are assuming that the price will go up, the price will go up, then you want to buy this market. So maybe you just predict that this place is going to be your take profit. This value 13028.25 is going to be your TP. So you mark it out. This place is going to be your take profit, that when the market go against you and cross this particular length, it will take you out. And once the market reach particular this particular area, it will close automatically by take profit. So you can also set others. You can see your pips value. You can see your pip value here. All this number is your pips value. You can see that your pips value, your pips value. So you need them in order for you to calculate your profit and your loss also. So you can see that we are having red line and black line, which is our bid price and ask price. So one of them is bid price, one of them is ask price. So whenever you execute a trade, maybe a buy trade, if you execute a buy trade from here, it will count this black line. So whenever you execute a trade, like, let me just use that as an example here. Maybe you enter a buy market from this a sell market. So if this black line come across your line, it won't count it until this red line come below it. Shey you grab. If this black line come below here and this red line is still up here, you are still in the middle, so it won't count any profit for you other than loss. So in order for you to be in profit when you are in a buy position, you need this black line to go across your entry point. So whenever you are in sell position, you need this red line to go below your entry point. So you can see that you are also having something like plus sign here. I also have F sign, dollar sign, time sign, and like what's the which sign like plus sign. You can see that we have different sign. So when you want to execute a trade, you click on this plus sign. When you want to enter a trade, you click on this plus sign. So when you click on it, it will show you, it will bring you to trade where you access in, you put in your take profit, your stop loss, everything, then you click on buy or sell. So here also, you can also see that we are having something here, and if you check here, it's like we can click on that place. It's like we have an opportunity to click on it. So when we click on it, what will happen? It will show you something like this, which I explained in my previous video, which is your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. You can see that we are also having market execution. Is when you want to enter market immediately, that is market execution. But maybe you do your analysis, then you suggest that in this current price, you predict that market will come to this particular area before market sell off again. Market will come to around here before the market will sell off. Then you now set your order. Maybe you want to set it at this particular number here, this particular value 13015.30. So you want to sell your order, you want to sell from that particular place, but you are not in the market. Maybe you want to do one or two things. You now set your sell limit. So you write down that number, then you click on this sign again. You write down that number, that's your value number. You write it down, then you click on this plus sign. So when you click on it, you now click on this particular area also, this place. So when you click on it, you now click on your sell limit. You know that you want to set your sell limit. You click on your sell limit. So when you click on your sell limit, it will ask you for price. It will ask you for price. Which price do you want to sell the market from? Which price are you willing for the market to reach before you sell your market? So that is when you need your pips number value to put in any area you want to sell the market from, and you also have your stop loss and your take profit. You can see that you have it here. Then when you click on that finish, you click on it will show you place. This place you show clearly, then you click on place. So when you click on place, you see your market here in this trade. You see it here. It won't be running, you won't be in any profit or any loss unless the market reach your particular area. So the same thing applicable to maybe you want to buy from this place. That is when you do your buy limit. So you just enter any number, any value of number you like. You just go back here. Also, you follow the same process. You click on this place, you click on buy limit, you add the price, you had the price, stop loss and take profit. You had the value, then you click on place down here. You click on place down here. So that's it. And let me explain this one also. This dollar sign, when you click on this dollar sign, it will show you your watch list. Like you don't want to go to your watch list, you want to stay in your chart and click on another pairs. Now let's click on gbp usd to make an example. When you click on gbp usd here, it will show you gbp usd chart. It will show you gbp usd chart. If you click on europe usd, it will take you back to europe usd chart. So if you click on US Tech, it will bring you back to it also. And we also have this sign, this time sign, clock sign here, which is your time frame. When you click on it, it will show you different time frame that we have. It will show you different time frame. You can see that we have M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, MN, which is M1 is 1 minute, M5 5 minutes, M15 15 minutes, M30 30 minutes, H1 1 hour, H4 4 hour, D1 1 day, and W1, which is W1 1 week, and MN a month. What are these time indicating? It's telling you that when you put it in 30 minutes, it indicates that each candlestick in this particular chart take 30 minutes to form. Each candlestick you see here will take 30 minutes to form. Each candlestick you see here, it will take 30 minutes to form. So when you go to 1 minute time frame, you can see that we have multiple candlestick, which means it will take one candlestick 1 minute to form. One candlestick 1 minute. Every candlestick in 1 minute chart, it take them 1 minute to form. So all those things you have to have it at the back of your mind. Shega. Forget don't forget, you can see it clearly that you're having ask price and bid price. You can see that you're having ask price and bid price, as I also explained first. And if you want to know which time frame you have, you look up here, you can see that we are in M1 currently. Now let's change it to M15. You can see, look at M15 here. You can see that it's also show you M15, which is showing you your time frame also, which indicating that each candlestick you are seeing here, all these things are called candlestick. Each candlestick you are seeing here, it takes them 15 minutes to form. If it is 1 minute, it take each candlestick 1 minute to form. And the same thing applicable to daily, weekly and monthly. You can see it here. This is monthly chart. It take this candlestick 1 month to form. It take it 1 month to form this candlestick. This two candlestick is 2 months candlestick, over 2 months price movement. So that's it. And this F sign, it shows where you can get your indicators. When you click on it, you can see that you're having indicators. If you are using indicator, it's indicator on this particular chart, monthly time frame, main chart, and indicator window one. You can see you can add your indicators. Click on this particular area when you want to add indicator. Maybe you want to add it to your main chart or your windows. So you click on this one. It will show you different indicators which you can add to your chart if you are using indicator. You can see we are having different indicator here. We are having moving average, Ichimoku, envelopes, Bollinger Band, average direction movement index, parabolic SAS, standard deviation. All this you can see that we are having different indicators, right? So when we are talking about indicators, window one and main chart. Main chart is this particular area. This particular area is your main chart. This is your main chart, and this one is your window. So this what is talking about. It means about the window one. You can also add another window. When you click on that particular things, you will have another window here. You have another window of another. You can add another window if you like, and you can also leave it like that. And when you want to delete your indicator, when you click on that F button, you click on this does mean things, then you mark the indicators you wanted to delete. You marked the indicator, you want to delete. You mark it, then you click on that delete. So you mark it and you delete the indicators. So we're also having plus sign here also. This sign look like plus. So you click on it, it will show you this kind of stick which you can use to calculate your pips. Maybe you want to target the market from this particular area down here, maybe to know where exactly you want to target. You can see that as we are moving this thing, focus on these black things that will be moving also. As we are moving, we are having different values on that black line. We are having different values which is indicating your pips number. It indicates your pips number. You can see that it's also showing you information on your chart. If you see here, it's also showing you information on your chart also. So maybe you want to calculate some pips from this particular area here. You want to target here. You focus on the pips value. Maybe from this particular area to the upside here, you focus on the pips value also. So for you not to click on all this area here, for you not to click all this area, if you need all these instruments, for you not to click on it, when you click on your screen, when you click on your screen here on this place, just click on anywhere you like. If you click on it, it show you something like this. You can see that you're also having M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1 and MN. You can see that you're also having this F sign, which is the particular one. We're also having it here, and this plus sign here also, we're also having it here. You're also having it here also. And if you want to draw some tools, maybe you need a tools to mark some places out, you can click on this tools sign. When you click on it, it will show you your tools, your objects. Let me delete everything here also. So when you click on it, it will show you your object. You can see that we are having trend line. You need vertical line, horizontal line, trend line, everything. You can see you have different tools that you can use. You can see it here. We are having Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci time zone, different tools. You can see that we are having triangle, rectangle, triangle and X place. So you can click on anyone. Maybe you want to identify a trend or you want to mark somewhere out, you can click on trend line. If you click on trend line, it will show you something here like this. You can see we have blue things here which indicates that you have clicked on trend line. So you just place your hand on anywhere around your screen, you drag it to anywhere you want to drag it to. Maybe you want to indicate something, you drag it to it, you do your analysis on it. You can move it anywhere you like, you can do it anyhow you want. Just be driving it, click on those dot sign on that trend line, be driving it, you can move it around anywhere you like. So that is your trend line. And if you want to delete it, you can click on it or you long press on it. When you long press on it, it will show you something like this and pencil sign. If you want to customize it or you want to delete it, then you click on delete. That is done. If you click on it again and you click on these particular things again, you have different things that you can use. You are having a rectangle that you can use to mark out a zone. So when you click on rectangle, you can see up here also it show you a sign of rectangle. Maybe you want to mark this particular area as a zone. Maybe you are expecting the market to come this area, maybe you just click on it. Okay, you have different tools to use. Maybe you need arrow, you are expecting the market to come this area, and to come that area and see it. You can also click on it again, click on it again, put another things, and you are expecting this kind of movement in the market. You can see different uses you can use it for. So when you click on it again, you can see that you have a plus sign. This is where you'll be adding your update, plus sign. So you click on it, you have many different updates you can add. So you can see your triangle, you can see it here to do different analysis. So when you want to delete it also, you long press on it. When you long press, it will show you here, then you delete everything without not wasting your time. If you click on your screen, click on it again, click on these dustbin signs up here, this document sign up here, click on it. It will show you some option. So now let's delete it. You mark all this place, you mark everything you want to delete. Let's mark all. So then you click on delete. You can see that we don't have it here again. So this is it for here, and you can see that we also having sign here, which is your watch list. When you click on it, it will bring you to your watch list. You can add to it any pairs you like. You can also delete from it also. So when you want to add, you don't need a long process. Just click on this plus button. Then you want to delete, click on these pencils signs also. Just click on that plus. Then you can search for maybe us sorry USD card, CAD. You can see that we are having US dollar and Canadian dollar. You can see it, right? So you click on US dollar and Canadian dollar. On suddenly you can see that it disappear. Then if you click here again, if you go back and see a back things sign, if you go back to your watch list, you can see that it has add to it successful. US dollar, US card. You can see that it has added to it. Maybe you want to delete it from this particular year. You click on this pencil sign, you click on it, then you click on this dustbin signs, you mark it out like this, then you click on delete. Then you click on back, you can see that we don't have it here. So for you to get your demo account, how do you get your demo account? How do you get your demo account? You can also see your pips value here also. Without you going to your chart, you can see your pips value. You can also see your pips value. You can also see your pips value here also. To know the spread or to know anything about, you can see between this number and this number. This ask price. This is sorry. So this is ask price and this is bid price. Let me use this one that is near here. Let me use this one. This ask price and bid price. You can see that there is different. This one is 11.803 and this one is 11.828. You can see that there is difference in it. That's different. The difference between bid price and ask price is called it's spread. It's called spread. The difference is called spread. Spread, R-E-E-D, spread. It's called spread. So the difference between bid price, bid price and ask price is called spread. So that's the difference between those things. So when you want to open a demo account, you click on this plus your on this three dot sign here. When you click on it, it will show you something like this. Then you click on manage account. You click on manage account. So when you click on manage account, it will bring you to all your account that you have already logged in before. You can see that we are having different type of accounts, right? So when you click on this plus button up here, it will bring you here. Then you can see you have two options. Open a demo account, choose a broker and register and test your strategy. You can see that log into an existing account. If you have account, maybe you want to log in your real account on your from your brokers, you just click on anyone. From now we want to open a demo account, you click on it, then you can find any brokers, maybe xnext, and you click on and you search for your brokers. It will show you your brokers. Maybe Let's use OctaFX as an example. OctaFX, you can see that you have different OctaFX accounts. Different OctaFX accounts, you can see you have different OctaFX accounts. So when you click on it, when you click on, let's click on this first one to make everything simple. This first one, then you click on it, it will show you options. So you can fill, because I have already filled my name, that's why it's showing me this locally practicing account. You can see you fill in your number, your Gmail, your name. You fill in your name, number, Gmail, and account information. Which account type, what is the type of account you want to open. You click on it. Your leverage, you click on it. Your deposit, you click on it, how much you want it to appear in your demo account, maybe $10,000 or $300, any amount you click on it, or 50 or $500,000, you click on it, it will show you here. Then you click on create account. So when you click on create account, it will show something like this. So it give you your account login. You can see account type, it give you deposit amount, it give you. So you can click on this copy sign here. You can click on copy. So click on copy. It will copy your information to your keyboard. So this one is not open. Let's follow the process again. Open a demo account. Open a demo account. Let me just use any brokers, any demo account. You can open any demo account you like. You click on it, you fill in your details, and you click on create account down here. Submit the sample. You can see that this one has created. So you have your name, which is this. You have your account type, which is this. You have your deposit, which is $10,000. You have your login, which is this number here. You also have your password, which is this number here, and you also have your investors, which is this value here. So you don't need anything. Just you may click on this copy thing to copy your information. This place, you may click on it to copy your information, but you don't really need it. All you have to do is to click on done. You can click on done. When you click on done, it will show you your watch list. You can see that we have different watch list. So when you click on these three signs again up here, if you click on that time sign, you can see that you have Olukunle practice account. You can see that you have Arena Trading Demo. This is the brokers I'm using as my demo account in here. As you can see their names, right? You can see their name, Arena Trading account. You can see it here. If you see up here, you can see it shows you demo, but if it is real account, it won't shows you anything. So now it shows you demo account. You back to this your watch list. This your watch list. You back here, click on it, click on any PS. Let me just use Europe. Do you have Europe PSD? I don't think so. So let me just use this one. A Euro calf. Another. So click on it, open new order, click on sell. You can see that it's from this chart. It shows me how much I'm losing and how much I'm gaining. You can see my starting amount. You can see my starting amount, my balance. That is my starting amount. You can also see my equity, my remain balance currently. You can also see my free margin here. You can see my margin here also. So if you go if you go to this chart, if you click on chart, it will show you chart. It will show you, let's go back to here. You can see that if your trade is in profit, it will show you sign blue here. If your trade is in loss on this particular pair, it will show you sign green also. So when you click on these things also, like I told you earlier, you can click on open chart. Let's click on open chart. When you click on open chart, it will take you to chart. It will take you to chart where you can see your market. You can analyze, do anything you like. Then you look at your pips value or anything like that. Now let's go to lower time frame. Let me, maybe 30 minutes time frame. You can see that we have a lot of spread in which in between our bid price and ask price. So you can see it here. And if you come to your trade, you can see that you're having active trade, right? If you come to your trade, you can see we are making a loss of $17 currently. So when you click on this trade like this, it will show you some information. We don't have stop loss and we don't have take profit yet. So you can long press on this place. It will show you different option: close trade, new order, modify order, and go to chart. So when you click on modify order, then we can also add your pips, your stop loss. Maybe you don't add it to it before, you can say 0.98110 as your stop loss, and your take profit 0.97000. So 0.99, any number, just, but you, it's not like any number, you find the number here, 0.98, 0.98, let me just say 0.9, or let me go back and look for the take profit number, 0.98020. So click on it, long press modify order, your 0.98020, let me just say 0.98000, and your stop loss is 0.98, also 0.98222. You can see that it shows us modify, right? You can see modify currently here. You can see modify, then you click on modify, it will show you others modify, which if you click on this again, just click on it once, you can see that we're having your stop loss number, your take profit number, and your IDE account. So you can see it's SL and TP also. So when you want to close a trade, when you long press, you can see a close a trade. So let's close this particular trade. It will show you somewhere something here. Close with lost. Close with loss 17 minus $17. If it is profit, close with profit, any amount that is there. You can also see it here also. Then you click on close. So market is order is closed. You can see the current balance now from $10,000. You can see how you lost the money. So now you click on your trade, on your history, right? On your history this particular year. So when you click on your history here, click on history, it will show your history trade. So it will show you your history. This is your balance when you deposit. It show you your profits you make, your deposit amount, and your current balance. It will show you, and your trade, it will show you your losing trade also. If you click on it, it will show you your information, your stop loss level, your take profit level. It will shows you an amount you lost also. If it is profit, it will also show you this profit minus $20. So that is how to use your this thing, your MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5. If you want to link your brokers to it, just click on this manage accounts, then you click on this same plus button, you click on it, then you click on this login to an exit account, then you click on it, you search for your brokers, any your brokers, you search for them, you click your login. When you are open account with your brokers, they'll give you login and your password. You enter your login, your password, then you click on sign in. You click on sign in here, then you click on sign, then you sign into your account. So that is it. That's how to use your MetaTrader 4 and your MetaTrader 5. Everything is the same thing as MetaTrader 5. It's just that many we, as for example, deriv brokers, they don't use MetaTrader 4. You can only trade their account deriv. You can only trade their account on MetaTrader 5. So that's why you need to have it if you want to be trading synthetic indices markets. So that's it for now, and that's it for now. Have a blessed day. All right, have a blessed day. It's me, Olamide Oluwafemi, the CEO of Ola FX Academy. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.